Understanding, keep a buffer, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, keep a buffer. This phrase is commonly used in both professional and personal contexts, so understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's dive in. The phrase, keep a buffer, essentially means to maintain a safety margin or an extra amount of something, often time or resources, as a precaution against unexpected situations. Think of it like having a spare tire in your car. You might not need it, but it's good to have it just in case. In different contexts, this phrase can take on slightly varied meanings, which we will explore in the following sections. When talking about time management, keeping a buffer refers to allocating extra time to a task or an appointment to account for unforeseen delays. For instance, if you have a meeting that you think will take 1 hour, you might keep a buffer by allocating an hour and a half. This extra time acts as a cushion to absorb any unexpected delays or issues. In financial terms, keeping a buffer means having additional funds set aside beyond what you expect to need. This could refer to personal savings, like having extra money in your bank account for emergencies, or in business, where companies might keep a buffer of cash to handle unforeseen expenses. Interestingly, the phrase can also apply to emotional and social contexts. Keeping a buffer here means allowing yourself some emotional or physical space from stressful situations or people. It's like giving yourself a breather or a bit of distance to maintain your well-being and peace of mind. And there you have it, the versatile and useful phrase, keep a buffer, in different contexts. Whether it's managing your time, finances, or even personal well-being, this phrase is a handy tool in your English language toolkit. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. Don't forget to keep a buffer in various aspects of your life. It's always better to be prepared. See you in the next video.